guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers this week, and so we want to make this video to say thank you and to share a little bit of the highlights of our journey to this point so far, and to see what you guys want to see moving forward. Believe it or not, it actually wasn't our idea to start this. My father-in-law has been on me for years and saying, you and your twin need to start a cooking show. And I just kind of laughed him off for a while until I actually started thinking seriously about it, mentioned it to Beth.
Yep.
And it kind of morphed into sharing our passion for teaching other women how to cook and how to use that food to show hospitality and how to serve others.
That's right.
He was even generous enough to build a studio kitchen for us, which has been a huge
awesome
help and encouragement.
Oh yeah.
So that's been a lot of fun. We got to design that ourselves, and so that was super fun to see that getting built.
Definitely a highlight for us. I would say learning how to do the videos and how to be on camera was a big learning curve for us. A lot of frustration, but a lot of victories. We usually have a lot of fun together. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies.
Another big learning curve has been learning how to do all of this with kids, and especially with 2 more on the way. But it's been a lot of fun, and we've learned a lot. Now for the growth part, our mom actually has a pretty big social media presence, so that gave us a good head start at the beginning. Our videos on cooking for crowds have really gotten a lot of attention, and we think that's what pushed us over the 1,000 subscriber mark. And so what we want to know for the future is, what do you guys want to see? What gaps can we fill that you think need to be addressed in the cooking world, that you think would help you out? Just let us know in the comments. Yeah, absolutely. And if you're a beginner at this, we have for beginners baking course, beginners cooking course, and a hospitality course on our website, so you can go check those out too.
So again, huge thank you to all you guys, and let us know what you would like to see moving forward in the comments below.